Where's the lobby? Oh, look at that shot right there. Okay guys, today we are at Prince's Island Park. Look at the people riding their bikes. So we're gonna do a little tour around the river. Okay, so we're gonna get some coffee along the river, and we're also gonna do some house spotting, which is all around. I'm gonna do some condos and some houses, and then we're just gonna take a walk around and show you guys what it looks like. And then make sure you comment down below what your favorite house is or condo, and yeah. No footage of you. Oh. Look at that. Old school. It's like a old school place. It's kind of cool. Or would you do new school, Truman? That's pretty nice, huh? Truman Homes. They also have a big patio at the top where you can party and stuff. Boom. Cool gates. Little architecture. All these bird shooters. Let's see if any of these are live. The way you can tell if the scooter is live is the light at the back. If it's on, that means you get a free ride and you're using someone else's money. But that's just the name of the game.
How cute is this? Look at this little garden. Oh my gosh. Whoever lives there is like, look up there.
Umbrella. Oh, there's a little deck up there.
It's so cute. And it's my bird feeding them.
Oh, that's a unique house.
So adorable.
If you can.
Yeah, that would be nice. I bet. I like this one. This one's like a big ass deck.
Yeah, this one's beautiful too. I love this front.
Oh, and the double gates. The double gates is cool.
3 units here.
Oh, this is a house. Or is that a lounge? I think that's a unit.
Someone's sweeping their floors. Slush puppy. What is that? Hey, this one's for sale.
How much?
Remax. This one is 812. Peaceful houses. Whoa, look at this old one. This guy's house. Continuing the tour here. A lot of traffic. It's 3 units. So it's actually bottom. This is 1 unit. That's 1 unit. And there's a unit in the back.
Here in real estate, that would be something people love because in one property you can fit 3 different mortgages.
Yeah. Sure.
How cute is this thing?
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Little swinging.
Like
It
they
was a
just
little bigger.
They just swing right into that hole though.
Yeah.
Oh, cute dogs. Yeah, that one's... That's like a Tuscan. Got some garden work. $722. Wow. This is huge.
So it's a bunch of units probably.
Oh. Yeah, it's 2 and 3. Nice Porsche. Oh, he just kind of... Good thing the curb's low. Nice rims. I'm not a fan of the color. But, nice car.
This one would be cute if you add a little bit of love in here.
That's nice here. Oh, this bike though. Bike spotting, Harley. Beauty. That's a nice one. More units. Boom. Amazing. Old. These guys are not protected right now if there's a flood. Look at this one.
I like
It's
the
like
door.
Harry
Potter or something.
That's crazy.
Love it.
Door.
This deck is cool. Nice lawn. This is the Tuscan Villa complex.
Yeah.
Let's walk around this one a little bit. I want to get some footage. This is cool. They have a garage in there too. They have a garage for each unit downstairs. Super convenient. And then inside it's like a complex. It's kind of tight,
But
It's very congested.
it's kind of congested, but see like 2 units in there.
There's so many units here.
Nice Denali. And then, yeah. Oh, here's he's setting up the patio. Nice M3. Beauty. E46. E46 M3. This is some clean footage of these houses. I didn't see the guy sitting there, but it doesn't matter. Look at this guy, got some Hebrew stuff or something in it. Wells Cargo. Is that real?
Or like a
Got the BMW
428.
with the nice.
coastal.
This is like a seaside type house you would see at a whatever. Nice older house. More construction. To see they built up the wall already over there, and then they're continue that all the way. I'm surprised they didn't build the wall here first, because of all the houses here that got damaged the last 10 years ago.
Yeah.
But they built it on the other side, which doesn't really make sense.
Yeah. Probably more water on that side.
Nothing makes sense in Calgary though. Boom. Another house. This one's got a big yard, little sunroom. Little car in the front. So they don't want. Oh, what the? This one looks like it's going through a Renault or something.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Definitely.
I think this looks like one of those like houses they can just lift up, and
Yeah, literally.
I think that's one of those. We get the wall. That's a huge wall.
Great Wall of.
It's the Great Wall of Calgary. It's actually huge. Wait, so then if you live here, you can't see the river. Oh, it's for sale. Let's check how much it is. Zillow. ZG Yang. Wow, nice deck. This part goes downstairs, it looks like. This one's got a nice yard. Cute door, wooden.
No dandelions.
No dandelions. Really? Wow. You could probably buy
Yeah, I guess.
it's a prime location.
It's nice photos though. Look at the photos.
Oh, all renovated. Hey, that one's cool. That's like a castle. Hey, look. That's like a castle.
Yeah.
I love that.
Wow, look at the kitchen. Tell me that's not a beautiful kitchen.
It's nice.
Dark wood.
What's the garage look like? Hey, this is a cool house. Look at this.
Yeah. Little reading up by the kitchen. How
Nice.
cute is that?
This one's got a little tower at the top.
Wow, look at the garden.
The machines building the walls.
I like living there actually.
You can take a tour. These bushes for privacy. Wow. Look at that view. This is the Peace River Bridge. Let's see if we can get these guys to wave. There's no sound. There's a lot of wind. I wonder if this thing can pick up the wind. Let's these guys coming in hot.
Which guy?
These guys.
The one helping her too.
Let's see if they'll wave.
So weird.
We got them to wave, guys. Mission accomplished. This is Prince's Island Park. Nice little park here. Really enjoy this. This is my backyard. All right, we're cutting it.